welcome back to my channel. In today's look I'm gonna give you something different. I went for a really nice bold red eye look, and I used my Jeffree Star's blood sugar palette to do this look. If you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in a comment section below. So much for your love and support, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, so next time when I'll post a video you'll get a notification. And I shall see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Hey everybody. Okay, so we are going to start with the moisturizer, and as usual I'm using my current favorite, which is from Emborylisse. For the eye cream I'm using my Saturday Skin Brightening Cream. This is a absolutely amazing eye cream, by the way, guys. For the lips I've used my coconut lip oil, and for the primer I'm going to use my Touch and Soul No Pore primer. This primer is super duper good. I have been using it for over 2 months now, and I really like it. For the brows I'm going to use my Benefit Brow in shade number 5, and to carve my brow bone and just to clean up the shape I'm going to use my Hard Candy Life full coverage concealer. You guys know this is one of my favorite concealers, and I also use this as my eye base. For the to set my eyes I've used RCMA no color translucent powder, and for the eye look I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Cosmetics blood sugar palette. This is my favorite palette, especially when it comes to red tones. It has absolutely amazing shades. So first of all I picked up the shade which shade did I pick up? Okay, first of all I picked up the shade Tipsy Pop. No, is it Tinkle Pop or is it Tipsy Pop? Oh man, this is so not good. Okay, so I picked up the shade Tinkle Pop and applied that in my transition. Then I just picked up the shade Candy Cherry Soda and I applied that to deepen my crease. And then I just used the shade which shade did I use? Blood Sugar, and I just applied that on my lid, and sweetener in my inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just doing my concealer, and for that I've used my Tarte Shape Tape. This is my favorite concealer, and I used to be so scared using this concealer because it's a little bit heavy, but it's starting to work on my skin now, which is amazing. For contour I'm using my Huda Beauty Tantour contour. You must have seen it, everybody's using this product. It's one of our new products and it's absolutely amazing. The shade I'm using here is medium, which I personally think is a little bit darker for my skin. I might need to get a shade light, but still it works really well. Product itself is super duper good. And to set my concealer I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in shade Butter. I have to tell you guys, I used to hate baking because it used to make my face even more dry, and it used to make my skin feels really tight. And you know how much I am insecure about my under eye area because it always get creased. But this is the only setting powder which seems to be fixing all these issues for me, and it works so well. It literally makes your face look airbrushed, like, oh my god, like you don't have anything. This is like your own skin kind of feeling. It's amazing, guys. If you haven't used it, you need to use it. To set my contour I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC45. Again, I love these Studio Fix powders from MAC because they are oldies but they are goldies. Absolutely amazing product. For the lower lash line I'm going to follow all the shades I applied on my lid, on from transition to the inner corner, and I'm going to apply them all on lower lash line to smoke my lower lash line even more. I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Drama gel liner pencil, and this is in shade Blackest Black. Absolutely love this eye pencil because it's so creamy and so easy to work with. For blush, I'm using Benefit Canada blush in shade California, again one of my favorites. I love using this shade especially on the days when I just want a little bit of a peachy tone on my cheeks. It's absolutely amazing. Now I'm just going back with my contour brush, and I'm just fixing where it needs to be fixed or where I want a little bit more sharpness. For the highlighter, I'm using Dose of Colors highlighter in shade FUEGO, and I'm only going to apply this on the higher point of my face because I just didn't wanted the highlight to be all over my face. I just want it on the higher points for this particular look. Now I'm just taking my Gimme brow from Benefit in shade number 5, and I'm just giving an extra coat to my brows because sometimes what happens is after applying all the products, I feel like I need a little bit more color in my on my brows. For lip liner, I'm using by Terry's lip liner in shade Perfect Nude. I really need to get a refill for this because I don't know what I'm gonna do if it's run out. For the liquid lipstick, I'm using a Kim Kardashian liquid lipstick in shade KIKI. This was in the collaboration with what's her name? Kylie. There we go. To set everything in place, I'm using my Huda Beauty setting spray. Hope you guys like this look. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.